Hello, everybody. Today's topic of discussion is mathematics, and this comes from the October 28th, 2015 article from the Hartford Courant called Connecticut Students Strong in Reading, Weaker in Math. And it basically talks about the recent testing that we were doing and how our Connecticut students are strong in their reading skills, but like I said, weaker in math. And the acting commissioner for the National Center for Education Statistics states one downturn does not a trend make. It's true. One downturn does not make a trend. So, even though it's not a trend yet, we want to stop it before it becomes a trend. And how do we do that? I've been looking into what students can do on public media because Facebook is pretty much only there for the games, right? I know it's not just for the games. There's video chatting, there's posting, there's memes, there's all this kind of stuff. But the games are really what kind of made me zoom in. And if we look at those games, we'll see that there's opportunities for change and growth.
The first game that I'm going to show you is called Math Minute. It requires players to know addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The player has to handle a 60-second timed and stressful response. It requires quick reflexes and knowledge of the keyboard. Are the numbers on the top of the letters or next to the letters? And where is the space bar, which is always in the same spot, but some people might not know if they're learning the keyboard. This could be very disorienting. Math Minute follows many Common Core state standards. For first grade, the content standard OAC5 relate counting to addition and subtraction. OAC6 add and subtract within 20, demonstrating fluency for addition and subtraction within 10. And OAD8 determine the unknown whole number in an addition or subtraction equation relating three whole numbers. If we look into the multiplication and division, we can see going up to third grade Common Core state standards, OAA1, interpret products of whole numbers, OAA2, interpret whole number quotients of whole numbers, and OAA4, determine the unknown whole number in a multiplication or division equation relating three whole numbers. Lastly, OAB6, understand the division as an unknown factor problem.
finish over here. Get ready. That says boom right there for a reason. Oh.
The second game that I want to show you on Facebook is Dominos. Now, a lot of times I have gotten very upset when I see my older students, even in elementary grades, but 4th and 5th grade, trying to play dominoes by knocking them over. This is not how dominoes was required to play. It has numbered dots on the dominoes. They are there for a reason. I'll get into that in a second. Dominos requires players to release all preconceived notions of what playing dominoes is. Like I said, it is not the strategic placement of vertical tiles in order to create a pleasing design once toppled over. It requires algebraic reasoning to be able to foresee possible combinations and make the best decision for the player's turn. In this respect, it's acting akin to games such as tic-tac-toe, Connect 4, checkers, chess, and numerically related to Yahtzee. I love playing Yahtzee, and it is also available on Facebook, and it's so addictive, I can't get off of it. Dominos has the exact same first grade Common Core state standards that I mentioned in the last game, so I'm not going to repeat those, but you can see they're the exact same. As I continue to click, this is what I'm talking about of higher order thinking skills. This is a high school standard, CED A4, rearrange formulas to highlight a quantity of interest using the same reasoning as in solving equations.